Kala Chana, also known as black chickpeas. Packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, these tiny legumes are a powerhouse of health benefits. So let's explore their nutrition, benefits, and even some beauty hacks. Introduction to chickpeas. Chickpeas or chana come in two main varieties: Kala Chana, the dark, rough-textured kind, and Kabuli Chana, which is smooth and larger. Did you know that India produces nearly 67% of the world's total chickpeas? That's right. These nutritious legumes are an integral part of our diet and agriculture. Nutritional value. Wondering why Kala Chana is so nutritious? Let's break it down. 1 cup of cooked Kala Chana contains about 210 calories, 10.7 grams of protein, 35 grams of carbohydrates, and 9.6 grams of fiber. It's also rich in iron, magnesium, and essential vitamins, making it a fantastic choice for a healthy diet. Health benefits. Kala Chana offers amazing health benefits. It helps lower cholesterol, supports heart health, and keeps your digestion smooth. Its high fiber content aids weight loss by keeping you full longer. Plus, with a low glycemic index of 28, it regulates blood sugar levels, perfect for diabetics. And let's not forget, it boosts brain function too. Skin and hair benefits. Did you know Kala Chana isn't just for eating? It's a beauty secret too. Chickpea flour, or besan, is fantastic for skincare, helping remove excess oil, acne, and even tanning. It also strengthens hair when used as a natural shampoo. Try these DIY hacks at home. Kala Chana recipes. Now, let's cook something delicious. Here are 3 amazing recipes. Kala Chana sundal, a South Indian snack, choli masala, a flavorful chickpea curry, and a refreshing chickpea salad. Which one will you try first? That's a wrap on today's Kala Chana deep dive. Whether for nutrition, beauty hack, or delicious meals, this legume is a must-have in your diet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content.